Wow, and the award for best presentation and high quality sounding earbuds go to... So you guys know that I have tons and tons and tons of earbuds and headphones. I even purchased I have the Sony earbuds or earphones that run about 300 bucks. These on the other side cost 79 bucks. Be sure to check the link in the description to grab yours. I review a lot of earphones and earbuds over the years. I reviewed a lot, and some stand out, some don't. First of all, the presentation with these earbuds will win you over alone. Next, the weight of the earbuds. These are supposed to be the world's first THX and one of the world's first triple drivers. And I gotta tell you that you put these in your ear, you're gonna need a phone that has a DAC with it. And so, or just a phone that doesn't have just a regular audio DAC. So I'm using the Sony right here, and I gotta tell you, off the charts, man. I've never heard such good audio from a set of earbuds. They cancel out the sound perfectly. They fit comfortably in your ear. And if you don't have the right size in this box, something's wrong, because they give you every option for the tips for these earbuds. I've seen presentations of earbuds and boxes put together for things that cost a lot more, and they don't come with all the things that come with this. Premium leather case is fantastic. Feels really nice. You're actually getting what you pay for this set of earbuds. I really like it. I'll be testing it with phone calls later. Testing these with phone calls later. But for now, man, these things definitely sound fantastic with the Sony Xperia 10. I'll be sure to try it with other phones that have somewhat better DACs than others. But I gotta tell you, just listening to these earbuds is off the charts, man. It is realistically one of the best sounding earbuds I have ever seen and heard. Right, yeah, seen and heard, yeah. So they look good, they sound good. You get a complete setup in the box. $79 when you consider paying for earbuds. Some of you guys are spending even more on like Beats and all those different name brand buds. But I've always told you on this channel, you gotta go for a good, affordable set of earbuds or headphones, and you also gotta ignore the brand name. So in this particular case, I know you guys have probably heard of one more before, but man, they really brought it with these earbuds. I kid you not. They sound amazing, man.
Wow. Cancel out sound just perfectly.
Alright guys, it's your man Jay. Wow, the link's in the description. You can take my word for it, because you know I have nothing to gain by misleading you or lying to you. However, one more, you got one more. It's your man Jay. I'm out.